Today, we're going to talk to you about a new feature we're super excited about called personal avatars. It allows you to create a digital twin that looks like you, sounds like you, and will help supercharge your video creation. In fact, to demonstrate this, the real Victor, who you can see behind me, wanted me, his personal avatar, to handle the start of this event. It seems like the real Victor is getting a bit impatient now, so I'll hand you over to him for the rest of the event. So this is all about creating your digital clone in less than 5 minutes. And there's two ways of doing it. You can do it directly on the platform by using your webcam. So you simply just log into Synthesia, click on personal avatars, start the webcam, and you read a simple script. It takes around 3 minutes. Once you've recorded it, it goes into training, and then we'll have your avatar ready for you shortly. Very, very easy to do and takes less than 5 minutes end to end.
I did it in my living room.
I did it during my morning yoga routine.
I did it in a public library.
You see, with Synthesia's personal avatars, you can create an AI avatar of yourself from anywhere. Just like me. It takes only 8 minutes, and you can do it with your webcam or using your phone. And with a few clicks, you can make yourself multilingual.
Wow, this is cool. 今では29以上の言語を話せます。
So, if you want an avatar that looks and sounds just like you, try it for yourself today.